Imagine buying mangoes at the market. You have 3 plus 2 mangoes and 4 plus 1 bags. How do you multiply these groups? That's expansion. Expansion means removing brackets by multiplying each term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. Let's see how. Each term visits every term in the other bracket, like greeting everyone at a party. A meets C and D, then B meets C and D. 4 multiplications total. Squared means times itself. So, a plus b squared is a plus b times a plus b. Expand to get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Memorize this identity. Example 1. Expand x plus 3, x plus 5. Multiply each pair x squared plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. Combine like terms, x squared plus 8x plus 15. Five x and 3x are like terms, so they add to give 8x. Our final answer is x squared plus 8x plus 15. Always collect like terms. Example 2. Expand 2x minus 3 squared. Write it as 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. Multiply each pair, 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. Negative times negative gives positive 9. Combine like terms. Minus 6x gives minus 12x. Final answer, 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Common mistake. Students write x plus 3 squared equals x squared plus 9, forgetting the middle term. You must include 2ab. The correct answer is x squared plus 6x plus 9. Remember, square the first, double the product, square the last, square, double, square. Never skip the middle term. That's your exam weapon. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com. See you in the next video.